Today Licious birthday offer is on. Let's see. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all healthy and happy, right? Flashing big beautiful smiles on your face. Yes. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. As the offer is on Licious, any item at 50% off. I purchased some meat on Licious and unboxed here. You know, Licious is an online store that delivers meat in 90 minutes of your order. If you are a first time user of Licious, use my code in the description box after you download the Licious app to get 200 off on your first order. If any of you want to avail this offer at 50% off any item in Licious, you got to use the code as half price as shown in the picture. I will also show you how I applied this coupon and place my order. But this coupon seems applicable once for user, so whatever you want, you have to order in your first order using this coupon. Free delivery is available for orders above 199 rupees. You can also use Licious Wallet free cash while placing the order. Now I'll show you how you have to apply code as half price. Go to Licious app. You've got all categories here of meat. You can choose any number of items from any category. Here I have choose biryani and I have added to cart biryani. Click on proceed. Choose your delivery slot according to your convenient timings. Click on place order now. Now you got to give a coupon code as half price as shown in the picture. HALFPRICE. Click on apply. That's it. Now scroll down, you'll have payment options. Here you can use Licious Wallet Cash. I've used 90 rupees here. And rest of the amount you can pay by any mode of payment. I have paid here 13 rupees to order Kolkata biryani. You can also order. If you don't have Licious Cash, you can get it for 100 rupees. 200 rupees is the biryani price. You can get it for 100 rupees. Not only biryani, you can get any other item on Licious at half price. So do enjoy the offer by ordering your favorite meats on Licious. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Flying Skies One for more videos and offers. Please don't forget to subscribe. Keep smiling. Have a good day.